Alright guys, so in this video I want to talk about content writing with ChatGPT, and more specifically social media content writing with ChatGPT. We already saw how can we write blogs and emails and more stuff like that related to content with ChatGPT. But now I want to be more specific about the social media, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. How can he help us not only write the content, but also give us ideas for content or content strategy, content calendar, and stuff like that. So we'll start by a simple example and telling him to write us a LinkedIn post. LinkedIn is a more professional platform than Facebook and Instagram and stuff like that. So we need the text to be more professional, let's say. So we can tell him, write me a LinkedIn post about the promotion I got in my job in finance. Make it professional, right? Let's say make it in a professional tone. Make it short. Yeah, make it short, right? So let's see. You see how fast we get an answer, as usual. And let's see. I'm thrilled to announce that I've been promoted to the job title in the company. It has been an incredible journey thus far, and I'm grateful for the opportunity to continue contributing to the growth and success of our organization. As a finance professional, I'm excited to take on this new challenge, work closely with my colleagues to deliver expectational results. I look forward to leveraging my skills and experience to help my company achieve its strategic objectives. I would like to express my gratitude to my colleagues, mentors, and leaders who have supported me throughout my career. I'm excited to continue learning, growing, and contributing to the success of the company. So, as you can see, we got like in a matter of seconds, a minute, a professional LinkedIn post that can help us to get more followers, to get more engagement. Right? We can tell ChatGPT to make the post to be more engaging and stuff like that. There's also extensions that can help us write content for specific targets like LinkedIn, Facebook. But you get the idea. I always like to tell him to write in a specific tone because the tone should change according to the social media, according to the destination target that we want to write for. So let's take it now to, let's say, TikTok, right? So but it can work like with everything. So we can tell ChatGPT. Um, so I have a TikTok page about motivation and reach lifestyle, right? You know, all these TikTok videos. Um, I have a TikTok page about motivation and rich lifestyle. Write me, let's say, 10 TikTok videos ideas. The videos should bring me more likes and followers, and to be targeted at 18 to 24 um, um, audience who interested in motivation, personal development, and becoming rich. Right? You know, just a lot of these interesting and engaging TikTok videos. You know, everybody like to see a rich lifestyle, so you know this is the more engaging TikTok. This is just the example I thought about, but it can be really everything from e-commerce to just your personal TikTok, really everything you want. So just like a simple example, and let's see. Obviously, you can get like the same results. I think if you write them less text, but sometimes I like to write them a bit more text just to make it give me a more specific answer. In here are 10 TikTok videos that can help you increase your followers and engagement. Share your daily morning routine and how it sets up your successful day. Share your followers how you plan and set achievable goals of the day. Share a motivational quote or affirmation. Explain why it resonates with you. Give tips on how to manage money effectively and save for the future. Share your experience and tips on starting a successful business, on investment. So as you can see, a lot of videos are up. I guess most of them you already saw somehow on Instagram or Reels or TikTok, just famous lifestyle and motivation videos. But if we just starting at social media, and we want to think about ideas for posts and we don't have, or we stuck, so ChatGPT can really help us. And we obviously can develop these ideas, so we can tell them, write me a script for idea one. So look, this is really crazy, I think, because now he gives us a script for the idea one, right? So we don't even need to think about the content. Obviously, we need to change it for our specific life and stuff like that. But he writes us all the content. So first, I wake up at 5 a.m. every morning, no matter what time I went to bed that night. Just obviously the whole motivation stuff, and we can also develop this more. So we can tell him, um, write me the full script with the videos and shots, um, um, instructions, let's say. Okay, so I asked him for the full script. And see how he changes it. Well, now he says, "Good morning, everyone. Today I want to show you my morning routine." And then shot of an alarm clock ringing at 5 a.m. I think you can already imagine how it looks. Shot of a glass of water being poured. Shot of a person meditating or doing a breathing exercise. And shot of a gym or workout equipment. Healthy breakfast. So as you can see, you can really create nice TikTok videos, Instagram reels, everything, just for with the help of ChatGPT. I will also show you later on in the course how can we create videos and presentations and images on Canva with the help of AI. So you really have like the whole full package of social media posts. Um, so let's take another example, and we'll take it now to Facebook. So say I want to promote my new digital book called, let's stay with money examples, freedom in 5 years. um, Write me text for a Facebook ad for the book. Make it engaging and selling, call to action. um, Make it even a bit clickbait style. Please forgive me for my English mistakes if there were any. So he writes as the post a Facebook ad for a digital book that's called Financial Freedom in 5 Years. Obviously, I just invented it, and it's not a real book that I wrote, but I guess there are some other books like that. So, are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you dream of a life where you're financially free? Well, it's time to turn that dream into a reality. Introducing Financial Freedom in 5 Years, the ultimate guide to achieving financial independence and living life on your own terms. With this book, you will learn the proven strategies to grow your income, save money, invest wisely, and build passive income streams. Whether you're a college student, a young professional, or a seasoned entrepreneur, this book is something for everyone. Don't let your financial struggles hold you back any longer. As you can see, I really like a motivational speech and an ad, just making people to buy the book of how becoming rich or financial with financial freedom in 5 years, and with a call to action. Click the link to order your copy of the book and get a special discount. So as you can see, how can we do it? Very simple instructions, and ChatGPT can give us great content for all the social media platforms. Yeah, and we can also develop it and make it more unique and more interesting.